Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the fourth question in exercise 4.3. Using determinants, find the equation of a line passing through the points 1, 2 and 3, x. So look at this as a condition where the first determinants entry is going to be x, y, and so the first entry will be xy1. These two entries you take as such. So this is going to be 1, 2, 1, 3, 6, 1. Remember the formula for the area of the triangle, so half of this is equal to 0, but since we are not looking at a triangle, so simply equate this determinant's value to be equal to 0, so that you will find a linear equation on x and y. So now let's expand. So this is x into 2 minus 6 minus y into 1 minus 3 plus 1 into 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So in this case, minus 4x. This is minus 2 into y, so plus 2y plus 0 is equal to 0. So this 0 makes no sense, so let's leave that out. So 2y is equal to 4x. Both are multiples of 2, so I'm dividing it by 2. So y is equal to 2x. So this is a linear equation of a line passing through the points 1, 2 and 3, 6. In the next video, we will find the solution for the fifth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.